Ton 618 is one of the most mysterious and powerful objects in the entire universe. It's a supermassive black hole located roughly 10.4 billion light years from Earth, and it's in the constellation Canes Venatici. It's so far away that when we observe it, we're looking at light that's left over from 10 billion years ago, back when the universe was only a few billion years old. But what makes Ton 618 stand out is its sheer size. It's one of the largest black holes ever discovered, with an estimated mass of 66 billion times that of our Sun. To put that into perspective, our Sun's mass is already about 330,000 times that of Earth. So Ton 618 is incomprehensibly large. It sits at the center of an ancient quasar, a type of active galactic nucleus, where a supermassive black hole pulls in material at an astonishing rate. This process releases incredible amounts of energy, making quasars some of the brightest objects in the entire universe, even though the black hole itself remains invisible. At the heart of this lies the idea of an accretion disk, a massive rotating disk of gas and dust that's being consumed by the black hole. The intense gravity of Ton 618 pulls this material in, heating it to millions of degrees in the process. As the material spirals inward, it emits light across multiple wavelengths, including visible light, ultraviolet, and X-rays. This is why Ton 618, despite being so far away, can be detected by our telescopes. Black holes like Ton 618 challenge our understanding of physics. They represent regions where the laws of nature as we understand them completely break down. In the case of Ton 618, its mass is so great that it pushes the boundaries of how large we thought black holes could grow. And because it's located in a quasar, it's also a window into the early universe. Quasars were much more common when the universe was young, feeding on the dense gas that filled the space and time around them. Imagine Ton 618 sitting at the center of the galaxy, devouring stars and gas and dust while emitting jets of energy that travel across the cosmos. This process directly affects the evolution of galaxies. In fact, supermassive black holes like Ton 618 play a crucial role in shaping the structures of galaxies. And by influencing the flow of matter and energy, they can slow down or even stop the formation of new stars, altering the fate of entire galaxies. While Ton 618 might seem impossibly distant and removed from our day-to-day lives, it's a reminder of how much we still have to learn about the universe. The study of black holes has led to some of the most significant discoveries in modern physics, from the theory of general relativity to the recent detection of gravitational waves. These discoveries have practical implications, like how we think about time, space, or even technology. For instance, GPS systems used relatively accurately, I would say, kind of show us where you are on the Earth. That idea completely stems from studying objects like black holes. You also have to consider the concept of scale when you think of 618, Ton 618. You see, when we measure things in miles and kilometers, or maybe even light years when we talk about space, that's one thing. But Ton 618 stretches the limits of what we can even comprehend. That's how large this thing is. Ton 618 is ultimately a doorway to understanding the most extreme conditions in the entire universe. For as long as we know it to exist, and as long as we continue to study it, it will continue to help us reshape the way that we think, rethink what's possible within the universe. Because it's not just a black hole, it's ultimately a bridge to the unknown. And it's going to continue to help humanity piece things together, piece the story together of our overall history within this universe, and give us a better understanding of gravity, space, and time. These are Interesting Things with JC.